Hello everyone. In this video we will study functions and their graphs. Functions. A relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. A function f is a relation if no two ordered pair in the relation have the same first element. A function that is a relation between two sets can be represented graphically because it is the set of ordered pair and can be plotted on the Cartesian plane. Different types of function and their graphical representation. Identity function. A function is said to be an identity function if f(x) is equal to x such that x belongs to real number. A graph of an identity function of a is equal to 1, 2, 3 is shown. Each point on this line is equidistant from coordinate axis. The straight line makes an angle of 45 degrees with the coordinate axis. Linear function. A function is said to be a linear function if f(x) is equal to ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0, a and b are real constant, and x is a real variable. Consider the linear function f(x) is equal to 3x plus 7. On plotting the points on the Cartesian plane and then joining them, we get the graph of the new linear function as shown. Constant function. A function f is said to be a constant function if f(x) is equal to c, where c is a constant. If the range of a function is a singleton set, then it is known as constant function. The graph of the constant function f of x is equal to 4 such that x belongs to real number as shown. From the graph we can conclude that the graph of a constant function f(x) is equal to c is always a straight line parallel to the x-axis. Polynomial function. A function f is said to be a polynomial function if for all x in R, y is equal to fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and so on, where n is a non-negative integer and a0, a1, a2 are real numbers. Consider the polynomial function fx is equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 3. Its graph is shown. Rational function. If fx and gx be two polynomial functions, then fx over gx such that gx is not equal to 0 is known as rational function. Let us consider the function fx is equal to 2x minus 5 over 3x minus 2. The graph is plotted on the screen. Modulus function. A modulus function is defined by fx is equal to modulus of x. That is, if x is negative, then the value of function is minus x. And if x is non-negative, then the value of function is x. Signum function. A signum function can be defined as 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. Greatest integer function. A function f is defined by fx is equal to greatest integer of x, assumes the value of greatest integer less than or equal to x. Function 2.5 will give the value of 2 and f 1.2 will give the value of 1, whereas f minus 1.2 will give the value minus 2. So we have covered definition of function, different type of functions and their graphs in this lecture. That's it for this lecture. Thank you.